The government is in the process of producing 60 million face masks to help in the fight against COVID-19. So far, 1 million masks are ready to be distributed countrywide. The locally produced masks, which are clinically approved, have 3 layers: an outer layer, a filter and an inner layer, and can be used by everyone, including health workers. In Kibera, where access to masks and hand sanitizers is sparse, fashion designer David Avido has been sewing face masks and distributes them for free to the poor and vulnerable. Rose Wangoi visited Kibera and now reports.
As the coronavirus continues to spread and impact communities worldwide, in Kibera, fashion designer David Avido has been at work day and night. He is using his studio to produce hundreds of face masks from the colorful scrap fabrics of his designs.
Because most of the people here, they earn like maybe 300 shillings in a day. Sometimes other people are like 400 or 250. So they would really want to be able to buy the sanitizers, to buy the mask, and to buy the hand wash and also buy the food at the same time. But they're trying to weigh their options.
Using their sewing machines and piles of fabric, they make as many masks as they can. The masks typically consist of multiple layers of cotton and are fitted with elastic ear loops.
I just have the body alone, and then once I've attached the body and the elastic, that's when I'll be able to attach this other lining inside. So this lining, it has like a pocket. So the pocket is like this one. So you have like a small space inside, whereby once you have the mask, it's up to you. You can decide either to put a serviette inside or cut a piece of the plastic bags and put it inside, because they can help you to hold more droplets rather than just like working that way and saying that. So far we've been able to give out more than 5,000 masks. I've been giving them out for free since then till now, within Kibera and also outside Kibera, because guys from Karen are also reaching out, guys from Lavington, they're reaching out, but I'm like, yo, I don't want the money. If you want to buy the mask, just buy us the fabric, and then we continue making meat more for the guys in Kibera.
Concerns about COVID-19's potential impact on informal settlements like Kibera are high. To each man, woman or child he hands his masks to, David explains how to safely use them. David's hope is that the masks will at least prevent people from touching their faces and contracting the virus.
I know the masks are not like 100% proof for them not to get the virus. The mask only help them maybe with 10% or 5%. And giving it to the people, I make sure I educate them on how they're supposed to prevent themselves from getting the virus. Make sure you wash the mask, and then after washing the mask, that's when you can be able to reuse it. But if you use it without washing it, you're putting your life at risk and the people close to you at risk.
The Ministry of Health now says it's mandatory for people to wear protective masks after the government warned of a heightened threat of contracting coronavirus. The government says it is in the process of manufacturing personal protective equipment, PPE materials.
I'm sure people will be able to be very, very innovative about it, and I'm certain some prices could even come as low as 5 shillings. So, but I don't think we don't expect any of this to retail for more than 20 shillings.
For David, his masks and education are all he has to offer as he works to protect his community from a virus that could potentially cripple his neighborhood.
All of us need each other to support each other in order for us to overcome this. But if you are trying to focus much on the profit out there, even if you get all the profits that you want right now, and then you end up getting the virus, you'll go nowhere with that.
Rose Wangoi, NTV.